All of the hardware you need is included. We have already removed the stock bumper, so all we need to do is guide the OEDRO bumper into place. We will now bolt the bumper onto the frame. Fasten the bumper on with the provided washers, spring washers, and nuts. Tighten with a socket wrench. Do this for both sides. Using an Allen wrench, put together the LED lights as shown. Now attach the LED light to the bumper frame using nuts and bolts. The OEDRO bumper and LED lights are now ready to use. Your new bumper will never rust due to our 3 separate layers. There's the base, carbon steel layer, then the electro-galvanized e-coat layer that will make sure the bumper doesn't rust, even if the final powder-coated layer comes off while you're off-roading.